let's take a look at guys the screen here and let's check out the answer, right? Now we have here 5 items, so can we please begin with you, Ellie, sir? Can you please read number 1 and give us your answer?
The ice cores need to warm up before they are sent to scientists.
What keywords did you use here to find the answer? Ice cores. And ice cores are actually quoted somewhere here in the text. There's a mention of ice core over here. Okay, there's even the word ice cores over here. Okay, so what's your answer?
It's true.
Do you guys agree?
Yep.
Yes, the answer is true. Why? Because it says here, guys, that when they first come out of the ground, they are at a temperature of -50 degrees. But then they are then kept until they are 20 or -20 degrees centigrade, right? Let's analyze, okay? If this is 0, the freezing point, this is -1, -2, this is -20, all throughout -50. This is really, really cold, and this is less cold, which means 20 degrees negative is warmer than -50. Therefore, the answer is true. Okay, is the reverse. Okay, yes, Ronald, yes, number 2, please.
Number 2. Scientists have found similar levels of methane and carbon dioxide in the ice cores.
Okay, have they found similar levels of methane and CO2 within the ice cores themselves?
False.
Okay, when you say false, therefore, are you saying that it is not the same?
Yes.
Where is that?
No, same.
Because the results show that the levels of methane and carbon dioxide are much higher today than in the
Okay,
past.
that's the right basis here. Results show that the levels of methane and CO2 are much higher today than in the past. But where is this? Is this in the ice core itself? Take note, you're asked for in the ice cores. The way, guys, in which the level of methane and CO2 is determined is by checking the ice cores. But does it say here that within the ice core itself, that the level of methane is the same as the CO2? The only reference here, guys, we have is different, much higher today than in the past, over a period of time. Therefore, this cannot be the basis. Therefore, the answer is what? Not given. There's no basis as regards whether the levels are the same within the ice cores itself, because what we're looking for is the period of time. Well, the answer is not given. Okay, good. Yes, Jack, number 3.
Okay. The previous ice age were brought about by the abnormal weather conditions.
Okay, guys, before I proceed, are the answers clear? Naintindihan ba bakit mali? Okay. What's your answer, Jack?
False.
If you say false, what therefore should make this statement right? Again, guys, if you say false, there's something wrong with the statement. So what's wrong with it? What would make it right?
Conditions brought by weather. Abnormal weather condition brought about by man-made greenhouse gases.
Okay, so abnormal weather conditions, you say, are brought about by man-made greenhouse gases. However, what you're looking for here is the cause.
Yeah.
What caused the previous ice ages? Was it the abnormal weather conditions? Do you have any idea here what caused the previous ice ages? What you're looking for here, Jack, is what brought
What brought by the abnormal
the
weather.
ice ages.
Yeah, that's it.
In other words, kung Tagalogin pa, ano ang naging dahilan kung bakit nag-ice age tayo? Was it because of the abnormal weather conditions? Actually, there's nothing in this text that says that. It is not given. There's none. Okay, number 4. Zai?
Global warming is universally believed to be a bad thing for the Earth.
Is it universally? If it's universally believed, what does that mean?
All throughout the world.
All people believe it is bad. Is that the case?
False.
Why do you say false?
Some people have argued that
Yeah,
human
line
induced-
45, that's correct. Some people have argued that human-induced global warming is beneficial. Beneficial is the exact opposite of bad thing. Some people believe in that. Therefore, not all people believe it is bad. Therefore, the answer is false. Number 4 is false. Okay, Chris, number 5.
Eric Wolf believes there will be another ice age at some point in the future.
Okay, the clue here is Eric Wolf. Does he believe that there will be another ice age?
True.
Yes, he does. But it will take how many years?
15,000 years.
15,000 years. If the climate is left to its own devices, he says, we would have about another 50,000 years to go before the next ice age. This is number 5. Okay, the answer is true. Okay, let me repeat, guys. Number 1 is true. Number 2 and number 3 are not given. 4 is false. 5 is true. Okay, guys, one last drill. Let's have another true or false that given activity. Please go to page 20. And afterwards, we'll have some listening drill. We have here 6 items. Take note, the instruction is yes, no, not true, false. So please follow instructions. Again, sequential answers. Use keywords from the question. I'll give you guys 7 to 8 minutes on this one.